Steve Marshall, and I'm retired police officer for the city of Aurora.
I'm Vicki Marshall, and I'm a retired school teacher. We had an incident with a teenage driving son that caused us to have to change our insurance needs, and they were able to help us with that. First, Mary Beth always said, oh, we can save you money and we can find a place for you, and I thought, oh, how can that be true with this teenage son? And she quoted us a price, and I thought, how can this be true? And so I tried to match apples to apples, and she was right. We got as much coverage, and it was a better price, even with his complications.
We've had to deal with hail damage on our house twice now in the past 5 years, and both times was a result of a tornado in the area and stuff like that. I don't think the tornado was even gone before Mary Beth had called us and said, you need to have your roof inspected and I'm sending somebody out.
We've been doing some traveling and renting cars and needing to call her and ask her, are we covered? Who can drive the rental car or whatever? And she doesn't put you on hold. She doesn't read the policy to you and say, well, this is what it says. She just interprets it and says, yep, you can do it, or no, you better not. I was a not at fault driver, and I was trying to work through this claim with the other insurance company, and they just weren't forthcoming, and they were difficult to work with, and back and forth, and it was emotional for me, and it was frustrating for me. And I called Mary Beth and I said, I'm not getting anywhere. And she said, you shouldn't have to do this. And she took it from there, and I never worried about it after that.
It was easy to pick up a telephone and be able to call and get great advice. I feel special when I walk in.